Tonton against Archer. Yung Tonton yung nakalaban kanina. Kalaban ng Cheltenham. At saka Archer. Ito yung Tonton. Yung mga puti. At saka Archer.
Yeah, famous cake in Gloucester. Just follow in Facebook. M&M Cakes is brought to you by Mr. Ilian Marcela. The yumminess cake.
Okay. Yan na.
First five.
Nonton, puti. Archer ang brown ba? Ewan ko kung anong uniform nila. Brown, I think. Brown ang uniform ng Archer. Ito na. Back to the bowl.
First five. Please proceed.
Please proceed. Wala pa, hindi pa rin.
Archers, first five.
Wala pa. Wala pang first five. Post ko muna.
Archers,
Galing yan o, yan yung may spring ang sapatos.
oh, if you want some special food, kung nakaharap na kayo ng gutom, just order outside. There's a special food there. Unlimited, but you need to pay. Yes, sir.
West Midland. Coventry.
Special food. I don't know what's their name. Just if you are hungry.
Yan na. Ibang
Yes,
team
sir.
naman.
Seconds.
Archer and Nonton.
Archers again, Tonton.
Tonton.
Let's
Go and buy one. Go and buy food. You got money in your phone. I don't know. Just go and see what you want.
jump
Ay,
between
no.
number 45
Ha?
and number 20.
Barbecue. Mamaya adding.
Okay na, rep? Yung yung golden. If that is gold, just give it to me. I'll give it that in pound shop.
Loko.
Parang hindi nakikita yung ano.
There's always value to me.
Parehas ang kulay.
Okay. Yes, sir. Mr.
Mamaya.
Referee.
Alis ka ah.
Number 18. Number 18. Pass to number 45.
Ay!
Wala. Nakuha ni extra. Pass to
Extra talaga.
number 9. Pass to extra. Wala. Again and again.
Na-stuck yung bola.
Nice one. Thank you, number 45. Who's what? Archer's ball. Archer's ball tayo. Number 81. Wala. Nakuha ni extra. Nakasison si extra. Wala pa rin. Number 81. Number 18. Number 24. Pass to number 45. Paras. Wala. Just put it down. What is your number? Just put it nobody. In number 9.
Kalaban
Number
yung
14. Next one. Number 9. Same ball tayo.
makalit dumating.
Number 14. That's number 9. Number
Pasok.
9 is in 2 points by number 9.
Yes.
And number 2.
Ay, basta ang kilikili. Alis ah.
Binigay niya. Paras.
Pasok.
Into 2 points. Ay, Paras.
May paras ka.
Number dito, Number 9. Pass to number 81. Long air is 2 points by long air. Yes, sir. Napakasimple ng basketball by long air. First 2 points by long air. Number 18. Pass to Paras. 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 Nag-isip si Paras. Binigay kay sumubok sa tres. Wala. Nakuha ni Binog. Easy 2 points by Binog number 9. Binog. Asang Uera. Yes, sir. Number 24. Number 24.
Ay.
Archer's ball tayo. It's 6-14 in favor of
Archer.
Archers. Binigay kay long hair. Long hair, wala. Nakuha ni si Mr. Baden. Pass to Paras. Paras pass to number 18. 18 binigay kay Paras. Paras, wala. Nakuha.
Wow!
Wala. Paras, nagdadala ng bola. Binigay kay Baden. Easy 2 points by Mr. Baden. Yes, sir. Score.
6-6.
All. Binigay kay long hair. Long hair, wala. Ay, long hair ba yun? Wala.
Pasok.
Easy 2 points yan, 2 points.
Score! Hindi nagpalit.
Long hair. Yes, sir. Easy 2 points by number 14. Number 24. Line ball tayo. Ang ganda ng pananaw ni Rep. Very clear, both of them. Number 18. Pass to number 24. Easy 2 points by number 24. Minutes and 4 seconds.
Pasok.
2 points, number 81. 2 points, number 81. Number 24. Number 24. Ay, tayo dyan. Number 15. Time out.
Bye.
Tonton. Number 14 foul. Score 12-8 in favor of Archers.
9 minutes left. Hi! Lumabas kayo? Lumabas? I think may pagkain na dyan sa labas. Pinoy. Saan? Eh, pwede may pasok dito. Pwede ka naman pumasok dito. Ilocano kayo ba yan? Ilocano ka ba?
There's the best sports there.
Macdo. Same. Agiti mang mga dati. But, I mean, okra.
Bakibay.
Adobo, paksiw, sinigang. Aya.
Wala na number 14.
Barbecue. At barbecue ka, di ba? Sa barbecue ka.
Pagdating mo naman nangabak na tayo.
Uy, nangabak.
May kadwa na ito.
May kaulong.
Number 45. What a move!
May kaulong.
Inirong din namin na yun na Jimak doon.
Easy to
Oh.
Number 81. Number 81.
Ay!
number
Tatama pa.
24.
Naudid 2 points.
Pass to number 7.
Pass to
Jersey
24.
number 24. Bumova. Easy to point by number 24. It's 4.
12-12.
Time remaining 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 81, wala.
Ay!
Nakuha ng Mr. Payton. Mr. Payton. Number 24. Number 24. Easy to right by Mr. Payton.
Hindi natin nakita.
By Mr. Payton. Number 15. Number 14.
Wow!
Intercept by Mr. Paras. Number 18.
Parang may spring ang sapatos eh. 16.
Archer.
Yeah.
Score 12-16 in favor of
Tonton. Ayan. Break na naman. Nasaan si Ading?
leading by
Pagka nila kayo sa tira,
Tonton.
ay ayaw hindi. Nagagama.
Ayan.
Leading by
Really? Really? Oh. Baka ate, tas laubing pa yung ata natayag, di ba? Di natayag tas laubing.
Kasi tinatak number 7.
Kas dyan.
back to the ball.
Tas lahat. Back to the ball. Number 7. Tas lang nga, kas nagkarurupa niya. Para magkamukha. May, yeah.
Music. Score 12-16 in favor
Bola
of
ng Archer.
Tonton.
Wow! Almost.
Nakuha ng Mr. Payton. Pass to number 24.
Paras. Ay, wala.
Nakuha ng number 18. Wala. Number 8.
Wow! Pasok!
3 points by Mr. Masterman. Atos extra point.
Ay!
Wala. Dada na ng bola din. Isipon pa 10 ball. Isipon pa 10 ball. Binigay kay Masterman. Masterman pass to number 18. Number 18.
Nasisilaw camera natin sa door. Nakabukas ang pinto, guys.
Easy to point. Comment to time out tayo. Comment to time out. Comment to time out. Which one? Number 18. Yeah. That one. Daddy! One shot that, Daddy!
Lamig, nakabukas yung pintuan.
Pero sa rating hindi malamig si.
Malamig.
Kasi ano eh, countryside na.
Oo.
Back to number 8. Wala.
Ate, mag-trousers ka ng lamig.
Back to Daddy. Number 45. Number 24.
Pasok. Pasok. Ping na pa talaga.
Score 14-21 in favor of Salmon.
Parang umahabol na ng mga 20 plus.
Back to Mr. Very good. Number 14, 3 points.
Mga bata pa kasi.
To Paras. Paras. Yes, sir.
Sa atin, mga tigulang.
Time remaining 5
Muray
minutes
babasit
and
na
15 seconds.
Talaga. Basta hilig niya talaga. Ano? Ay, sus, oh. Mukha. Nasisilaw camera natin sa doon. Sino?
Dahil ka number 7 piliin eh. Hindi nabaliktad ni Bato na.
Ay, wala di binalnak pa. Go and buy food, darling. Ubing pa dahi dyan. Nag-ubing dan eh. Anak, ayan ang tatay. Mag-ama. Mag-ama daw si number 7, puti. At saka yung pulot. I mean, yung matangkada yun. Yan yun. Mag-ama daw. Ay! Pasok. Kaya daddy,
Yes, sir. 17-25.
Muscleman.
Muscleman. Castro. Gonzalez.
Ate.
Seven.
Sob.
Campo. Yes, sir.
I told you, go and buy lunch outside. Go, you can go and get your own. So you can see what June. Just go. You got money in your phone. Go. May money ka sa phone. Dali.
Number 1. Uno.
Ask Dada. Get Dada.
What a defense led by Mr. Payton. Yes, sir. Number 24. Number 24. Nandito si number 24.
Ay, walay.
Wala tayo. Long yan.
Oh!
Pass to Danny. Danny.
Ay!
Paras. Wala. Nakuha ulit kay Danny. Danny pass to Paras. Paras na. Pass to Mr. Payton.
Ay, galing! Galing, Mr. Faded.
Yes, sir. Number 4.
Wow! Hindi nakatingin.
Long hair. Wala.
Unlucky.
Nakuha ni Uno.
Small but terrible! Ang galing!
3 points by Mr. Uno. Yes, sir. Pass to number 24. Pass to Danny. Pass to number 24. Yes, sir. Pass to Paras. Danny pass. Sabrep. All of them, they are good. Yes, sir. And uno out for this out. Wait. 2 points by number 81. Number 24. Pass to Yaman.
Ay.
Bili ni Paras. Paras for 3. Yes, sir.
Pasok.
22. Southampton. Number 81. Yes, sir. Number 81. Time remaining. 1 minute exactly. Sabrep.
So,
Vera, number 19. Uno out. White water. Wala. Nakuha ni Long Hair. Binigay.
lakas. Over Milo.
Time remaining, 41 seconds. Yes, sir. Number 24. 24 pass to number 7. Number 7. Yes, sir.
Pasok.
30 seconds left. Number 9. Pass to number 5.
Oops. Whoa. Whoa.
10 seconds left.
Whoa.
8 seconds left. Who's forward?
Number 9. Solo flight. Pasok.
4, 3, 2,
Ano? Nakabili ka na? Nakabili ka na? Okay. Anong binili mo?
33.
Well done. Anong chicken?
Like
In favor of Foundation.
Okay.
This thing is brought to you by Ojomor, Artist Lumiti, Sonia. Guys, if you feel
Takpan mo yan,
hungry,
ate.
just go outside and have a break. There's some food there, but you need to pay.
Okay. Change
This
court,
thing is
guys.
sponsored by
It's 26:33. Lamang ang tonton. Ala. Sila ang mag-ano dyan.
Back to the ball game. 26 in favor of Foundation. White ball na white ball. Foundation ball. Foundation.
Bola ng puti. I mean,
Bounded by
Tonto. Oops.
Nice defense by Uno. Pass to Dani.
Ay!
Dani binigyan niya.
Ay!
Para.
Ay! Wala mo na. Ah, sige.
Banister para. Number 14. Pass to Uno. Uno. Pass to 81. Uno. Uno. Wala. Pass to extra right. Number 14. Uno. Binigay niya 81.
Paso.
Yes, sir. 3 points by number 81. Nagdadala ng bola. Pass to Lasa. Pass to Paras. Paras. Wala na. Paras wala na. Pass to extra finish. Offensive foul yun.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Uh, 35-39. Uno. Uno nagdadala ng bola sa
Ano yan daw? Kausap ka ni Ano yan?
Iwan, wala. Nakuha nila
Ha?
ng ticket.
I don't know.
Ticket.
Ano?
Uno. Vera, number 9.
Ay!
Uno.
Ay, galing.
By Uno. Yes, sir. What a touchdown by Mr. Uno. Mr. Paras. Who's foul, bro?
Oo.
Number 9.
Gagaling, no? Mga bata kasi, sinabi mo pa. Eh sa atin, mga tigulang na. Mga senior na. Joke. Pa-senior ba? Hindi pa, hindi pa naman. Joke lang yan.
First try.
Ano yan? Ba't walang sabaw? It's very dry. Upo ka doon ate, oh. Ate.
Yes, sir.
No, you got to sit. You got bottom. Sit down.
Beth, number 9. Wala long shot. Long shot, wala. Doon sa 81. Wala. Kuha mo sa para.
Ba't di mo sinarado yung door? Malamig. Masilaw na ba? Masisilaw. Nasisilaw yung cam natin.
Score 14-31.
That's better. Ay! 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 Paso. Ah, Dada! Dada! Alis.
Grabe rin yun, Daddy. Time out.
Time out.
Score 14-33.
40-33. 10 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In favor of Tonton. Yan yung kalaban nila kanina, natatalo tayo.
This league is brought to you by
Galing nila, guys. Galing nila. Baka mag-champion na yan. Pangalawang win na nila to. Kung mananalo sila.
Play some music, please.
Okay. See you guys. Break time.
Basketball game.
Archer ball.
Long hair. Pass to number 14. Pass to number 14. Pass to number. Yeah. 81. Easy 2 points. 181. Para. Pass to number 24. Number 24.
Ay. Hala, hala.
Number 1 is number 9. Long hair, bounding. Pass to number 14. Pass to long hair. Number 14. Pass to Vera. Vera, long hair. Easy to win by long hair. Score 40-37. In favor of
Kargad ka ba? Takpay mga.
easy to points by Mr. Payton. Mr. Payton, easy to points.
Wow! Dapat masama po kinisila. Kinilay ka.
Time remaining 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Wala. Nakuli. Pass to number 21. Jump shot again. 21.
Very close ang labanan. 39-42 ang score.
Long hair. Long hair. Removable by long hair. Pass to Masterman. Masterman. Pass to number 81.
Wala. Ay!
Long hair.
Hoy, solo flight.
Number 24.
Oh, wala.
Wow. By number 14. Sabrep. Sabrep. Sabrep.
Kay ate eh. Ay, wala si ate. Baka gumatang. Baka bumili ng pagkain. Wala.
Number 81.
Asan yung supaw ko?
Okay. Okay na rin.
Okay.
What are you guys eating? Dada
How is it?
siupaw.
How is
Rice
it?
kay ate.
Don't make a
Ano
mess.
yan sa'yo, ading? Ading, ano yan sa'yo? Siupaw?
Supaw.
Well done.
8 minutes and 5 seconds.
Free throw, non-con.
Second shot.
Ay,
Wala. Nakuha ni long hair. Long hair. Gusto ba yung hair? Long hair. Wala mo. Binigay kay. Binigay kay. Wala. Number 24.
wow! Ano yun? Grabe. Sakit nun, relax.
14 out. Unong
Talo ang green.
Score 43-39 in favor of Hamilton. 2 minutes of rest. Wala. Nakuha ni Paras. 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 Run at Paras.
Galing.
Uno. Pasunong eh. Uno. Uno. Paso. Mr. Musselman. Wala.
Mr. Musselman.
Paras. Paso. Mr. Payne. Paso number 24. Number 20.
Oh, mahina.
Long hair, dito na ba? Long hair. Long hair. Paso. Uno. What the
Small but terrible. Small but terrible, guys.
score? 45-41. In point for Sonic Son.
Wala, 4 points. 5 minutes left.
Number 24. Number 24. Paso para. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Payne. Mr. Payne.
Ay, talaga naman.
Paula. Sab. Pila na ba? Sab. Number 14 now. 18 more. 2 shots by Mr. Payne.
Ay, Mr. Fade.
O sige, pila to. Okay, sab. Sab, rep. Pila to. Musselman out.
Musselman. Small but terrible. Ay,
Wala.
isa pa.
Wala. First shot is no good.
Ay, may natumbahan.
Ha?
Ada natumba ta zero.
Wala?
Ada natumba.
Remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ada natumban sa nga drink.
Second shot is wala. Nakuha na 8-1. Paso. Uno.
Ay, nalos ko. Sige.
By Mr. Uno. Number 24.
Wala.
Mr. Payne.
Save mo yan, like. Mamaya yan.
Gustav. Raise your hands, please. Raise your hands if you're first. Sabrep. Score 45-41 in favor of Thompson.
Bakit nagaganyan?
Yan.
Bakit nagaganyan? No? Wala. Pagod na, di ba? Oo.
Ha, natanin.
Second shot is no good. Nakuha ni number 8. Arasubay.
Wow. Ay!
Long shot. Wala. Nakuha ni. Wow, shot. Score 45-43. 2 points lead by Tonton. Number 24, long shot, wala. Nakuha ni number 81. Uno. Pass below here.
Ay! Ay! Oh, no!
I just looked for
Be careful with my heart. Relax. Score 45.
Faded man natumba. What are you eating? Rice and chicken. Well done. Ading having siopaw. Dada having siopaw.
Sabrek.
Upo na muna si Faded. Faded man.
Is it okay? Yeah. Back to the working time. Yes, sir. Number 24. Number 24. Wala. Nakuha niya. Pass to Bongo. Pass to number 81. Wala. Nakuha ni Vera. Wala. Number 24. Daddy, pass to Baras.
What a jump! What a jump! Ang galing!
1 minute and 35 seconds. Score 47-43.
47-43. Ako mananalo pa at ang Tonton.
81.
Wow!
Now remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds. Number 24. Namuerta. Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Payton. Pass to Daddy. Daddy dribble naman by Daddy. Pass to Baras.
Ay! Ang galing! What? What? Oh!
Score 50-43 in favor of.
Pangalawang panalo na ng Tonton.
Time remaining.
Nangangamoy champion na.
If you feel hungry
Nangangapoy. Nangangamoy.
and have a
Nangangamoy.
nice
Ano
food
na lang,
outside.
oh.
Next game.
57.6 seconds left. 43.50 ang score. Si Ading naman doon, panggulo pa
Next
rin.
game. Tewksbury against Next Gen. Be ready.
Ayan.
Back to the ball game. Time remaining 57 seconds left.
Wala na, 50 seconds, makaka-score ka ng 7 points. Pwede siguro kung pero I doubt it. I doubt it.
Wala. Nakuha ni Mr. Payton. Number 24.
Wow!
Number 24.
Ay,
Foul by number 25.
free throw. Si Mr. Faded, dalawa.
50-43. First shot by Mr. Hayden.
Pasok. Pasok. 51-43 ang score. Panalo ang Tonton Puti.
Next game. Next Gen against Tewksbury.
Pasok na naman. 52-43.
Uno. Pass to 81.
81 try. Wala.
30 seconds left. Score 52-43 in favor of County Toy. Number 7, pass to Danny. Pass to Mr. Barat. 15 seconds left.
Wala na. Well done.
Game
Pangalawang panalo na yan, guys.
is brought to you by M&M Cake.
Pangalawa na. The score is 43-52.
Congratulations, County Toy.
On
Yes,
top.
sir. Nice game.
52-42.
Next game versus Tuksugo.
Wala na. Champion na ang